Okay, welcome to our extension. And for this section, we're actually doing Pythagoras' theorem and a bit of trigonometry, so we'll look forward to that. Now, Pythagoras' theorem says, for any, and let's follow as I'm reading, for any right-angled triangle, the longest side is the hypotenuse. Now, you should know that already, so this side here of a triangle is the hypotenuse. The theorem states, if you add the squares of the lengths of the two shorter sides, so if we're talking about the square of that length and the square of that length, the total will equal the square of the length of the hypotenuse. So it should. So if you add the square of that to the square of that, you should get the square of the length of the hypotenuse. So therefore, the theory that you have to learn is c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Okay? And that is Pythagoras' theorem. Let's go and look at the next page. Let's look at this question. A triangle has the lengths 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters. So, we work out the hypotenuse, which is always c, is our longest length, which is 5. So 5 centimeters is our hypotenuse. Okay? Our A is 3 centimeters, our B is 4 centimeters. So now we know all our lengths. So we've got to square our C. So we square our C, so 5 squared, and we get 25. So our hypotenuse is 25. We take our A squared plus B squared. So 3 times 3 gives you 9. 4 times 4 gives you 16. We add them together, and we get 25. So therefore, the squares of our two shorter sides, A and B, equals 25. And the square of the hypotenuse is 5 squared gives us 25 is equal. So therefore, this is a right-angled triangle. All right, let's look at another one. Is a triangle with sides 5, 7, and 9 centimeters a right-hand triangle? So we go through it. We go, well, c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. What is c squared? Right, our hypotenuse is 9 times 9 gives us 81. A squared plus b squared. So our A is 5 centimeters, our B is 7. We square them. 5 times 5 is 25. 7 times 7 is 49. We add them together and we get 74. So when we square our sides, we get 74. And if we square our hypotenuse, we get 81. Therefore, this is not a right-angled triangle. And that's what you need to write. Okay, so now I want you to have a look at exercise extension 4.1. Have a good go.